Hi, it's San Diego personal injury attorney Ross Jurewicz here to talk about one of the key complaints that injured clients have with their personal injury attorneys, and that complaint is lack of communication. Here at our office, we strive to communicate with our clients as much as possible, but that does not mean unfettered access, and it doesn't mean that we're going to contact you once a week or necessarily every 2 or 3 weeks or once a month. It means that we're going to give you updates as needed as they come along in your personal injury case. Now initially, most of the events will be related to your medical treatment, so our involvement is not going to be too hands-on. We're going to have occasional communications with the doctors who are going to let us know how you're doing, let us know what they recommend, and if necessary, forward you on to get an MRI or a CT scan. However, most of our involvement happens once you're completed with medical treatment, once we know that we can now move forward and we can make a demand for your case or we can file a lawsuit. At that point in time, we become more active, but it doesn't necessarily mean there's anything happening on your case on a week-to-week or necessarily even a month-to-month basis. The reason for that is because the legal system has long periods of time in which both sides can digest what they've been provided and then respond. For example, in discovery, the other side has 30 days to respond to discovery. So for about a month, there's not going to be anything happening, at least as far as you know, until you get the discovery responses back. My best advice is if you have any questions about your personal injury case or you're curious to know what's happening, send an email or send a fax to your attorney and wait for a response, usually within about 24 to 48 hours, and that attorney should be able to advise you as to the current status of your case. If you have specific questions about the status, maybe set up a telephone conversation with that attorney. If you have any questions about your personal injury case here in San Diego, please give our office a call at 619-233-5020, and we'll be more than happy to go over it with you, even if you're represented by another attorney.